Have you heard about Shadow Token? It's a name that's been making waves in the vast ocean of cryptocurrencies. To understand Shadow Token, we must first dive into the world of cryptocurrencies and the technology that powers them, blockchain. At its simplest, a cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It's like money, but in digital form. Now imagine a ledger, a record of transactions, that's not held by one central authority, but distributed across a network of computers. That's blockchain for you. Stepping into the spotlight from this shadowy world of blockchain technology is our star Shadow Token. It's not just another cryptocurrency, it's a unique player in the game with its own distinctive features and benefits. It's a token that's been designed with the future in mind. So, are you ready to delve deeper into this intriguing world? Stay tuned to discover the world of Shadow Token. Shadow Token, an intriguing name, isn't it? But what exactly is it? Dive with us into the world of Shadow Token, a unique player in the vast ocean of cryptocurrency. Shadow Token is more than just a digital coin, it's a beacon of innovation, designed to address some of the most pressing issues in the financial world. Imagine a world where transactions are as swift as light, devoid of any unnecessary delays or hefty fees. That's precisely what Shadow Token aims to achieve. Its architecture is built on the concept of speed and efficiency, making it a go-to choice for those who value time and money. But that's not all. What truly sets Shadow Token apart from its crypto peers is its commitment to providing privacy and security. In an era where data breaches and privacy invasions are commonplace, Shadow Token serves as a shield, protecting your transactions from prying eyes. Its use of state-of-the-art encryption techniques ensures that your financial activities remain your own business, and no one else's. Additionally, Shadow Token is not just a passive player, it's a problem solver. It aims to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the crypto world, providing seamless integration that allows for easy and efficient transactions. Remember, Shadow Token is not just another cryptocurrency, it's a vision, a hope for a better and more secure financial future. Now that you know what Shadow Token is, let's move on to why it's gaining popularity. So why should you care about Shadow Token? Well, there's a multitude of reasons. For starters, Shadow Token is growing in popularity. This isn't just a crypto fad, it's a strong contender in the digital currency world. It's been gaining traction because of its unique features, like its emphasis on privacy and security. In an increasingly digital age, these attributes are more important than ever. With Shadow Token, your transactions remain your business. This focus on privacy sets it apart from many other cryptocurrencies and makes it an appealing option for many users. But it's not just about privacy. Shadow Token also shows great potential for growth. While all investments come with risk, the upward trend of Shadow Token indicates a promising future. It's a new and exciting addition to the crypto arena that could provide a worthwhile boost to your digital portfolio. Intrigued by Shadow Token? Let's summarize what we've learned so far. So, to wrap up our discussion on Shadow Token, we've journeyed through its fundamentals, understanding its unique features and potential benefits. This fascinating crypto coin is more than just a digital asset. It's a promising venture into the realm of blockchain technology, offering unique advantages that might just make it a game changer in the crypto world. There you have it, a beginner's guide to Shadow Token. Dive in, explore, and who knows? Maybe Shadow Token could be your next big crypto investment.